When you live a life of prayer, you live ready. I think I've told you the story before, how that my mom died one time. And before that incident, she quarreled with me. Because when I gave my life to Christ, I often pray more than anything. Pastor Thomas, you know about that? We could just finish morning prayer, I'll go and lock myself again. So it looks as if I'm just being lazy. But I'm just hungry for more prayer. So sometimes we open the door and say, you are not working. Drag it. Hallelujah. So, but if I will go and ask my father, when do you want us to go to farm? When do you want to? So because by so time I want to go on some days of fasting like that. Then I will have done that one. But you know women, they can't see their children, your child sitting down while they are doing so. So she will every time. So she quarreled me this morning. You are not doing it. No. And then she went out to go and get the firewood, and that was when the devil struck. For length of time, she was not inside, and it was Gloria to say, where is mommy? When they were asking, she now went outside and saw that she was already on the ground, like, hallelujah. And then she started crying. Started shouting, she rushed in. I said, keep quiet. Keep quiet. She was still crying, she could not sleep. She called my father. He was at the farm that time, and then we have to we bundled her, just drop her by the parlor door. At that time, a friend of mine already said I should come, so I was to go around 1. I was to go around 1, and the incident happened around 11:30, and then I placed my hand. I hold one of her hand and placed my hand on her head. Mary, come back. Then I told God I'm supposed to go and see my friend by 1. Let her wake up before that time. Then God said by 12:30 she will wake up. I said, okay, let's go and put her inside. By 12 she wake up. I said, Gloria, go to the kitchen, go and cook. When she wake up, she will eat. When my dad came back, what do we do? Husband, emotion affect her. What do we do, Say, go and bath, she will wake up. So he went to go and bath, Gloria went to cook. Before my dad came back from the bedroom, my mom was sitting down. Gloria has brought the food. He said, what is this? Now, if I was not praying, the same person stopping that you see my own prayer as laziness, the prayer has just worked. Hallelujah. This is a message to mothers. Don't stop your children from praying. Hallelujah. If it's play, they are playing, it's different. But if it's prayer, leave them. You don't know what God is building them for. Since that day, no quarrel again. In fact, she used to call my name again from that day. Hallelujah. So, stop quarreling your children. Prayer is very, very important. Everybody needs it. It means you are living ready before the incident comes.